How can you divide by a unit fraction? Think about this question during the lesson. Joyce is making sushi rolls. She needs 1/4 cup of rice for each sushi roll. How many sushi rolls can she make if she has 3 cups of rice? Why do you need to divide to find the number of sushi rolls Joyce can make? You divide to find the number of fourths in 3 whole cups. What division expression represents the problem? The division expression 3 divided by 1/4 represents the problem.
Sometimes you need to divide by a fraction to find the answer to a question.
1/4 is a unit fraction. A unit fraction is a fraction that describes one part of the whole, so it has a numerator of 1. One way to solve the problem is to use an area model to find how many 1/4 are in 3. There are 4 fourths in 1 whole cup, so there are 12 fourths in 3 whole cups. So Joyce can make 12 sushi rolls. How does the model help you find the quotient? You can count the number of 1/4 parts in the 3 whole circles to find the quotient. You can also use a number line to represent this problem. Use the number line to find how many 1/4 are in 3. You can see that there are 4 fourths in between each whole number. There are 4 fourths in 1 whole, 8 fourths in 2 wholes, and 12 fourths in 3 wholes. So 3 divided by 1/4 equals 12. Joyce can make 12 sushi rolls. Now you know how to divide by a unit fraction.